Alright, let's look at the homework 4.1, problem number 5. Alright, let's find the critical numbers of this given function. Alright, so there's no denominator or square root or anything like that. So we know that this guy is defined everywhere. So domain of this capital F is equal to all real numbers. Right? And first we're going to take the derivative. So we take the derivative of this guy. Alright, now we have to use the product rule. So this is our first guy and this is the second guy. Right? Derivative of the first guy is put 4/5 outside x. Then subtract 1 from 4/5. So it's negative 1/5. Times the second guy, which is x minus 9 squared. Alright, plus leave this guy alone, x to the 4/5, and then times the derivative of that second guy is put 2 in front. Quantity x minus 9, subtract 1 from the power, derivative inside is 1, so you just get that. Alright. Then we just need to pull out the common factor. Right, so in this case I'm gonna pull out, let's see, you have x minus 9 here, and this guy has x minus 9, so I'm gonna pull that out. So x minus 9. Alright, then let's see, we want to we can factor let's see, 2/5 maybe, 2/5, right? So that way we're gonna get this, right? From here, if you factor out 2/5, you're gonna get 2, and this is over x to the 1/5 power, right? Then you have another x minus 9. Alright, so that's getting kind of messy here, and hopefully this will clean itself out. And then you have, let's see, 2/5, so 2 is out, 5th, so it's going to be plus 5 x to the 4/5. Alright. Then what we're going to do is we're going to actually take the common denominator just like before. Right, so 2/5 is just a number. Right, so x minus 9. Right, then common denominator would be, I'll just take x to the 1/5 power. So you would have 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 9 is negative 9 is negative 18. And then here, if you since you have to put the x to the 1/5 power, so multiply that, you're just going to get 5x there. Alright, so this is going to cleans up too. Alright, so maybe I'll write it this way. Right, 2 on top. Alright, you have x minus 9. And this is 2x plus 5x, 7x. Minus 18, right? And there's 5 there, and also x to the 1/5 power. Right? So if you set this guy equal to 0, we can find the critical number of type 1. Looks like x equals 9. And set this guy equals 0, x equals 18/7. Right? We have that. And also, we know that when x equals 0, f prime is undefined. So capital F prime of 0 is undefined, which tells you that x equals 0 is another critical number. Right, so these are critical numbers. Alright, so let's put it in. Right, so we have 0, right, 9, and 18/7, right? Let's see, yep, so submit for testing. Alright, it came back and it looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.